This light fixture looks like it has been carved from one of the peaks of the Mount Kenya. It is beautiful. I love it, and it is giving this unit a good wow factor. Today, we are exactly 1 minute from Ngong Road, and we are in Kilimani. To be precise, we are on the best side of Kilimani, and from here you can easily access town and all the other social amenities that you would want. This development comes with units starting from 2-bedroom all the way to 5 bedrooms. Today, we will show you the 3-bedroom unit and the 2-bedroom unit. We will compare everything, the fixtures, the finishes, the size of the rooms, and everything. Each of the 3 bedrooms, like this one, has a print area of 201 square meters, and the price is starting from 22.5 million Kenya shillings. Obviously, the 2 bedrooms are slightly smaller than this, and the sizes are starting from 96 square meters, and the prices are starting from 13 million Kenya shillings. From there, you can agree with me that this unit has been done spectacularly well, and we are going to the entrance to see everything from a visitor's perspective. The entrance is super solid, and it comes with a smart lock. That means that this lock can be opened using a card, a fingerprint, a key, and a password. On this side, you have some space where you can do a console table or a shootable like this. And on the opposite side, you have this separation that separates the normal view to the dining area. The dining space has been done very well. It is massive, 6-seater, and the space is big enough to fit an 8-seater. When a presentation like this is done, the space becomes breathtaking. I like the light fixture. The finishing has been done very well, and I'm loving it that you are getting a breakfast table over here which can be converted to a mini bar. You have some directional lights at the top, and from here we are going to see the living room. I am loving this space, considering that it easily fits a 6-seater couch, and you still have some extra spaces to fit more. Is just mind-blowing. My biggest worry is that you have this sticker that has been written, "Do not step on." So my question is, do not step on this or do not step on the carpet? Anyway, make sure you comment down below what that means, because I have no idea. As I mentioned earlier, this development comes with units starting from 2-bedroom all the way to 5 bedrooms. We have already done the video of the 5 bedrooms, and it will be attached in the description box. The details of all the other units will be found in our website, africanrealestate.com, and from there you can see that this unit comes with a beautiful focal point. Everything has been done very well. The curving and the symmetry of these lines makes everything look very, very beautiful, and I like it that you have some shelves over here where you can do a small radio like this, or maybe your family photos or some paintings. The show house comes with automated curtains, and the space is supposed to give you an access to your balcony. The balcony is massive, and it runs all the way from that wall to the other side of the unit. From these balconies, you'll get the best views of Nairobi skyline, and you can see they would fit a setup for 2, a green space on that side, and an extra space on the other side where you can do a hammock. On this edge, you have one of the most beautiful corner fixtures we have seen in the channel, and from there, I want you to tell me, what do you think about these units? Do you think it is a development you would want to invest in, either for your family to settle here or for business? Do you think that the ROI or the quality of these houses are making you want to purchase one or want to own one? And finally, do you think owning one of these units would contribute much more to your happiness? Let's discuss that in the comment section. This is the kitchen of this unit. I love it. It has been done very well. The finishes are high class, and it has been partitioned well to cater for all your kitchen chores. The kitchens come fully fitted with a microwave, an oven, a cooktop, and a heat extractor. I love it that you are getting a combination of lower and upper cabinets. The backsplash is blending very well with the countertops, and behind me you have a space that has been left for your refrigerator. The pantry of this kitchen has been hidden out there. We will see that later, but before we see that, this is the sink area, and I'm loving it that the kitchen is opening to the other common spaces, so it is very easy for you to have a good conversation with your husband or your partner who is sitting in the living room, or your kids who are enjoying their appetizer on the dining table. This is the pantry of this kitchen, and it has been done very well, and it is big enough to fit all your dry foods. Right now we are at the laundry area, big enough to fit a washer and dryer like this one. You have some cabinetry over here to do all your washing detergents, and you have a small opening behind me which opens to the employee quarters, and it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Back to the main unit, you have a hallway that is supposed to take you to the bedroom areas, and at the start of it you have the common washroom or the powder room, and it comes with all the common fixtures that you may require. Next to me you have the primary bedroom. We will see that in a view. This is the first bedroom, and behind me you have the second bedroom. This is one of the smallest bedrooms, and it is targeting your kids. It has been done very well. I'm loving it that it would fit a 5x6 bed like this one, or a 6x6 bed. You are also getting a floor to ceiling closet done very well. The partitionings are heavenly, and you have some spaces over here and on the other side for your side drawers. At the center you have a light fixture. On that other side you have an automated curtain that is giving you a sizable window to supply this bedroom with enough natural light. All the bathrooms have been done to this standard, and you are getting a shower cubicle on this side which comes with a handheld and a rain shower. At the center you either get this kind of toilet or a floating one, and on the far end you'll get a small vanity with a mirror. As I mentioned, the second bedroom is on the far end. We will see that later. Right now, let's see the master bedroom. The primary bedroom comes with a foyer-like space over here, and the space is big enough to fit a dressing table like this one. Oh, interesting. And from here, you'll be enjoying a good view of Adele at 21, Adele. Next to this space, you have an opening that is taking you to the primary bathroom. It has been done very well. It is the biggest, and it comes with a shower cubicle big enough to fit two. You have a vanity on this side which can be used to keep your bathroom equipment, like maybe your hard towels, and these ones are Gucci. On this side you have some spaces where you do flowers and everything. My biggest question is why we have sea salt in the bathroom. You also have a big mirror, a bathtub, and a towel holder. From the mini foyer, you have this access now that is taking you to the bedroom area, and at the entrance you have a small couch done very well. I like it that this bedroom is giving you this massive closet that would fit two. This being the primary bedroom is massive, and it would actually fit a 6x6 bed, a king size or a queen size bed. My biggest question is why do we have this headboard? It is very huge. I think this is the biggest that we have seen in the channel. On this other side you have your decoration area, and it has been done very well with a fireplace over here. And a TV space. On each side of the TV area you have extra shelves for your jewelries, or maybe your small handbags, or if you like reading in the bedroom you can also do some books. Interesting. The primary bedroom also comes with a beautiful massive balcony, and this is where you would sit in the morning to enjoy the morning sunshine, or maybe you can sit here in the evening after work and do a little bit of thinking of how the future should be, because if you are living here, then the future should be even greater. This is the third bedroom in this unit, and it comes with its bathroom at the entrance. Beautiful space, done very well. The shower cubicle is slightly bigger than the other one that we saw in the other bathroom. And you have the closets to this bedroom over here. They are floor to ceiling as usual. I'm loving the sizes of these windows. The automated curtains are adding to the futuristic design of these units. You have a beautiful center light, and this space would fit a 5x6 bed like this one or a bigger bed. That's all for the 3-bedroom unit. I'll take all of you to the 2-bedroom show house, and you'll walk with me as I show you everything. This is the 2-bedroom. From there you can see it has been done very well. I like the size of it. The sitting room or the living room would easily fit a 6-seater couch like this one. It can come in 2 options, where you can have an option of a balcony or a bigger sitting room like this. On this other side, you have a space that has been reserved for the dining area. Right now, you have a setup of 4 people. I don't think you can actually do a bigger dining set because the unit is just 2-bedroom. It doesn't have so much space. On this other side, you have your TV area or your electronics area. And as you can see right now, the TV is showing African real estate. So this is a chance for you to subscribe to our channel, join the family, and activate the notification button. If you like watching shorter videos, always remember to watch our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. The main entrance of this unit is here, and on my far front you have the biggest window we have seen in a 2-bedroom unit. Behind me, you have a section that has been reserved to act as your kitchenette or your kitchen area, and it has been done very well. It is a sizable kitchen for a 2-bedroom unit, and it comes with this space where you are supposed to do a refrigerator. This kitchen comes fully fitted with an oven, a cooktop, and a Bolesi heat extractor. The kitchen comes with numerous number of sockets just to give you enough spaces to plug all your kitchen appliances like this toaster. On this other side, you have your sink area. The distribution of the cabinetry has been done very well, and this backsplash is blending very well with everything else in this kitchen. On this other side, you have a small hallway that is supposed to take you to the bedroom areas, but before we see that, you have 2 doors over here. One is opening to the laundry area, and this other one is opening to the powder room. Comparing this to the 3-bedroom, you can see that the quality is the same, but the size is a bit on the lower side. The plinth area of the 2-bedroom is starting from 96 square meters, and the prices are starting from 13 million Kenya shillings. This is the smaller bedroom of the 2 that we have here, and it comes with this bathroom that has been done very well with all the fixtures that you may require. Next to me, you have a space that has been reserved to act as your sleeping area, big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one, or maybe a bigger bed. But if you have to do a bigger bed here, you have to get rid of these side drawers. I like it that you are getting a massive window for maximum natural light. On this other side, you are getting a good dresser at the center and a closet which is floor to ceiling. Right now, we are in the primary bedroom, and comparing it to the one that we saw in the 3-bedroom, this one is slightly smaller, and it doesn't come with a balcony. The size is acceptable because it would actually fit a king-size bed. The closet is acceptable, but not the biggest we have seen in the channel. I like how everything has been finished, and I like the quality of everything. On this other side, you have an extra space where you can maybe sit in the morning and enjoy reading a book, or you can just relax here before you sleep, or sit here if you want to do a prayer, or maybe have a discussion with your partner while they are sleeping. The window here is massive, and it is giving you a ton of natural light. The bathroom to this bedroom is over here. I'm loving this console table. The bathroom has been done very well. It is actually bigger than the one that we saw in the other bedroom, and it comes with a mini vanity over here. You have a WC at the center and a shower cubicle on the far end. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase a unit like this, or maybe the mansions or bungalows that we sell elsewhere, make sure you order a pre-purchase inspection with us, and we will confirm the legality and the structural strengthness of the properties that you want to purchase. Do not be conned. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one. This is African Real Estate, and my name is Mogai Kihara.